Imagine if your baby could tell you they're hungry, tired, or want more before they even speak a word. It's not just possible, it's happening every day through baby sign language. In this video, we'll go over more than 20 of the most useful baby signs you can start using from as early as 6 months. You'll learn what each sign looks like, how to teach it, and how it helps you and your baby bond, reduce frustration, and build communication skills before speech ever begins. Whether you're totally new to signing or looking to expand your baby's vocabulary, this video is your complete beginner's guide to baby sign language. Babies begin to understand language long before they can physically form words. Sign language gives them a bridge between understanding and speaking. It reduces tantrums and frustration, strengthens the bond between you and your baby, boosts confidence and emotional security, and encourages early language and cognitive development. You can start introducing signs as early as 4 to 6 months, and most babies begin signing back around 8 to 10 months. The key is consistency, repetition, and pairing the sign with the spoken word. Every time you use a word like milk or more, make the sign clearly while speaking. Say the word, make eye contact, use the sign, and be patient. Repetition is key. Now let's go over the most useful signs to start with. Core signs to start with. 1. Milk. Sign, open and close a fist like milking a cow. When to use it, before and during breastfeeding or bottle feeding. Why it helps, teaches your baby to signal hunger. 2. More. Sign, touch fingertips of both hands together repeatedly. Use during mealtimes, playtime. Why it helps, builds turn-taking and expression of desire. 3. All done or finished. Sign, hands out to sides, palms up, then rotate palms down. Use during end of meals, play, diaper changes. Why it helps, reduces frustration and mealtime meltdowns. 4. Eat or food. Sign, tapping fingertips to mouth like feeding yourself. Use when it's time to eat or snack. Why it helps, baby can ask for food clearly. 5. Drink. Sign, mime holding and drinking from a cup. Use during mealtimes or when offering water or milk. Why it helps babies stay hydrated and express thirst. All right, let's dive into everyday life signs that can make daily routines smoother and more engaging for you and your baby. First up, we have mom or mama. To sign this, simply tap the thumb of your open hand to your chin. Use this sign when referring to or addressing yourself. It's wonderful because it helps build identity and emotional bonding with your little one. Next is dad or dada. For this sign, tap the thumb of your open hand to your forehead. Use it when referring to or pointing out dad. Now let's talk about sleep. To sign sleep, open your hand over your face and close your fingers as you pull down, like your eyes closing. Use this sign before naps and bedtime. It helps babies anticipate sleep time, making transitions smoother. Then we have bath. Make a scrubbing motion with your fists on your chest to sign bath. Use this during the bath routine. It signals the routine and builds consistency. Lastly, there's diaper. Tap your thumb and fingers together near your hips, like fastening tabs. Use this sign before and after diaper changes. It's great for encouraging early potty awareness. Now, let's move on to food signs, which can make mealtimes a lot more fun and interactive. First, we have apple. To sign apple, twist your index finger on your cheek. Use this sign during snack time or when grocery shopping. It makes food fun and recognizable for your baby. Next is banana. Mimic peeling a banana with one hand. Use this sign when offering a banana or naming fruits. And then there's water. Tap your index finger to your lips in a W hand shape. Use this sign when offering water or teaching healthy habits. Finally, let's explore some animal signs, which can be a delightful addition to your baby's learning experience. First up is dog. To sign dog, slap your thigh like you're calling a dog or snap your fingers. Use this sign when a dog is around or in storybooks. Next, we have cat. Mimic whiskers with your fingers pulling from your cheeks outward. Use this sign during animal sounds play or book time. And last but not least, bird. Open and close your thumb and index finger near your mouth like a beak. Use this sign during outdoor walks or songs like Little Bird. And there you have it. These signs can truly enrich your daily interactions with your baby. Emotional and social signs are a wonderful way to connect with your baby on a deeper level. Let's explore some of these signs. Help. To sign help, place one hand flat and make a thumbs up with the other hand on top. Then lift both hands together. You can use this sign when your baby is trying but struggling. please. For please, circle your hand on your chest. This sign is great to use when asking for something gently. Thank you. To sign thank you, move your hand from your chin outward like blowing a kiss. This is perfect for showing gratitude or manners. I love you. The sign for I love you involves extending your thumb, index, and pinky fingers, which is the ASL sign for I-L-I. Use this sign daily. Your baby will learn to say it back someday. Every baby is different, but with consistency, most will begin using their first signs between 8 to 10 months. Some may start earlier, others later, and that's totally normal. Keep signing, even if it feels like they're not paying attention. One day, they'll surprise you. Let's go over some tips for success to help you and your baby get the most out of signing. Start with 3 to 5 signs, then add more over time. Always pair the sign with spoken words. Make it fun. Sing, read, and play using the signs. Celebrate when your baby signs, even if it's imperfect. Remember, consistency, patience, and repetition are your best friends. Baby sign language isn't just a communication tool, it's a relationship tool. It helps your baby feel understood, empowered, and connected to you in ways that go far beyond words. Let's quickly recap the benefits. Less frustration, more confidence, stronger bonds, earlier communication, and a whole lot of fun. Which sign are you most excited to teach your baby? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share your baby's first sign story too. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more baby tips, milestones, and parenting support. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!